Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Christmas crafts is probably one of the most heartwarming and creative ways to celebrate the holiday season, allowing you to personalize your decorations and gifts while enjoying the therapeutic process of crafting. From festive ornaments and charming gift tags to personalized stockings and adorable snowmen, the possibilities are endless, offering a unique blend of fun, satisfaction, and the joy of giving something truly special, made with your own hands, adding a personal touch to your Christmas celebrations. Number 5. Christmas Wooden Ornaments Kit. It's time to get crafty. This kit provides everything you need to create unique and personalized ornaments. These ornaments are made of high-quality natural wood, carefully sanded for a smooth and safe finish. They're ready for your personal touch. Use them for Christmas, weddings, birthdays, or any special occasion. They're perfect for decorating trees, making gift tags, or creating fun classroom projects. Personalize these ornaments with paint, glitter, or any other embellishments. It's a great activity for families and friends to enjoy together. The kit includes 40 unfinished wooden ornaments, 40 colorful bells, and 40 waxed ropes, everything you need to get started. Add your own personal style to these ornaments and create cherished keepsakes. They also make wonderful gifts for loved ones. What we like? It's made of premium natural wood, sanded smooth for safety. You can use it for various occasions, from Christmas to weddings. If you enjoy creative family time and personalized decorations, this is perfect for you. What people say. Fantastic kit for kids' school projects events. My son's classmates enjoyed working on it during the holiday party. Very nice wooden Christmas ornaments, 96 PCS. Highly recommend this product. They were easy to paint and to use glue sticks to stick things on them. The kids had a good time with it. Number 4. GUDELAK Christmas Wooden Ornaments. This kit has everything you need to create unique Christmas ornaments. It's perfect for kids and adults alike. With 60 wooden ornaments and 12 different designs, you'll have plenty to decorate with. Let your imagination run wild. Each ornament is approximately 3.1 inches, making them ideal for Christmas trees or other decorative projects. They're the perfect size for hanging. These ornaments are made from high-quality natural wood, sanded smooth for easy painting and decorating. They're ready for your creative touch. Paint them, stain them, draw on them, the possibilities are endless. Use them for Christmas, weddings, or any special occasion. The kit includes 60 ornaments, rope, bells, pens, and even instructions. You're all set to start creating. What we like? This set boasts 60 ornaments in 12 styles. Each ornament is 3.1 inches, ideal for Christmas trees. If you're looking for a large variety and a fun DIY project for kids and adults, this is the one for you. What people say. Very nice wooden ornaments. They even came with little bells and strings. The box they come is so cute too. You could use it to store the wooden ornaments after the season. The perfect kid-friendly activity. We colored them throughout the holiday season. Gave them to workers, family, teachers, friends, etc. as well decorated our own trees with. So many ornaments and so much fun. Number 3. AerWo 60 PCS Christmas Ornaments. This set includes 60 wooden ornaments in 12 unique shapes, each with 5 pieces. It also comes with ropes, markers, and bells for decorating. These ornaments are perfect for Christmas trees, but you can also use them to decorate stockings, windows, or even create handmade gifts and crafts. They're made from high-quality natural wood, carefully polished and laser-cut for a smooth and safe finish, perfect for kids' creative projects. One side is blank for your own designs, while the other has patterns ready to color. It's a great family activity for the holidays. Packaged in an elegant gift box, it's a wonderful present for friends and family. It encourages creativity and makes lasting memories. What we like? Get 60 wooden ornaments in 12 unique shapes. They're perfect for Christmas trees or crafting personalized gifts. If you want a versatile set for both decorating and crafting, this is your best choice. What people say. Included pens and was a nice selection of different cutouts. Included the string and a small bell for each ornament. Easy for kids to handle. The shapes are adorable and well cut. They come to you packaged neatly with everything you need, from the markers to the strings for hanging them. Each one is cut clearly printed on neatly. Number 2. Aneco 6-pack Snowman Kit. Get ready for some festive fun with our 6 Christmas snowman kits. Each kit has everything you need to build your own unique snowman friend. With different accessories in each kit, you can create a variety of adorable snowmen. Let your imagination run wild. The special clay can be reshaped again and again. It won't dry out, so you can keep creating new snowmen and other fun shapes. Made with safe, non-toxic foam, it's perfect for kids. The soft clay is easy to handle and leaves no residue. These kits make wonderful gifts for birthdays, holidays, or any occasion. They're great for parties or individual creative fun. Share the fun with friends and family. These kits are perfect for group activities, enhancing creativity and hand-eye coordination. What we like. This kit includes 6 snowman making sets with different accessories. The clay can be reshaped repeatedly. If you're looking for a fun, reusable craft for kids, this is ideal. What people say. The material is sticky but not messy and generally easy to clean up. The hats and noses don't stay on well by themselves, so I recommend gluing the extra pieces if you want these to last. They are cute enough to save for future holiday decorations. We were able to make 6 snowmen of varying sizes. Number 1. ZALALOVA Unfinished Ornaments Craft Kit. This craft kit provides everything you need to create unique Christmas ornaments. It's perfect for families and kids to enjoy together during the holiday season. You'll receive 60 wooden slices in various shapes, 50 colorful bells, 50 jute twines, and 6 colorful pens. Everything is neatly packaged for easy access. These unfinished wooden slices are blank canvases, ready for your imagination. Easily hang your creations using the included twine and bells. The wooden slices are made of high-quality natural wood, carefully sanded for a smooth and safe finish. They are eco-friendly and perfect for painting and decorating. Use them for Christmas tree ornaments, gift tags, classroom projects, or any other craft project you can imagine. The possibilities are endless. Each set of wooden slices is individually packaged, along with the bells, making it easy to find exactly what you need. No more messy crafting supplies. What we like. This massive kit has 166 pieces, including ornaments, twine, bells, and pens. The wood is natural and smooth, perfect for painting. If you want a comprehensive kit with lots of options, this is the one. What people say. Great craft for my 3-year-old. The best part is that we're using them right now for arts and craft activities on rainy days, and when Christmas comes, I will paint them over in white, let them dry, and then he can paint them all over again. We plan to use them as ornaments and as tags for presents on Christmas. I bought these for a 2nd grade class for their holiday party craft. The kids had fun decorating them, and it was something cute for them to take home. Loved that they came with string, bells, etc., everything we needed for the craft. It made it much easier than trying to pull all of the materials together separately. I took this craft to a family event and got everyone from the oldest to the youngest to make an ornament and put a date on it. The markers were okay, but we also found some colorful Sharpies and used those to give us a wider range of colors. Some got a dash of glitter and looked just great. After the ornaments were dry, I stained them and will keep them forever. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.